who's tender.
Yeah.
So you want to go and do gentle little circles. It's almost like you're moving the scalp, mobilizing the fascia. Move the hair a little bit. Do gentle ear pulls. Just like that. So you're going to be right at the ear, the lobe, and just gently pull in this direction. Little lateral and out. And I'm just doing a real, it should not hurt. Me, is it hurting?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so I'd like you to just massage her scalp a bit. And for her neck, she doesn't do great yet, but once we get her horizontal, I think she'd be better. So we're going to do C2, C3. You're going to get your arms wide and do down glides. Down glides. Down glides. I do a little soft tissue for her shoulders. She's really tight in her upper traps. Again, once she can handle being horizontal, you're going to do a lot more to her neck and your shoulders.